Heroes wear masks. Elmo's super adventure. Today, Elmo is going to school. Elmo is super excited and super nervous. To feel better, he puts his hands on his belly. Then he takes a slow, deep breath in through his nose and lets it out through his mouth. Elmo feels better now. Time to get ready for school. First, Elmo washes his hands. Mummy says hand washing is super important. Wash your hands to the ABC song. Elmo wets his hands and uses soap to make lots of bubbles. He scrubs for 20 seconds, then rinses and dries his hands. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Elmo eats a healthy breakfast. He wants to have lots of super strength to learn and play. Elmo's mummy tells him what to expect at school today. First, you may have your temperature taken, and you'll need to wear your mask. Keep a safe distance from your friends and give them big waves, but no hugs. Okay, Elmo? Yes, Mummy. And Elmo remembers he shouldn't touch his nose, eyes, or mouth after he washes his hands. Uh-oh. Elmo still feels nervous about going to school. It's been a while since he has seen his friends. Elmo takes another belly breath to help himself feel better. Slowly in through Elmo's nose, out through Elmo's mouth. Elmo and Mummy pack Elmo's backpack with everything he needs. Elmo has a face mask to wear at school and whenever he leaves home. Mummy says that wearing a mask is important because it keeps everyone healthy. Elmo wants to be super ready for school. Mummy says that a mask should be clean and cover both your nose and your mouth. Let's try on the mask. Elmo doesn't wear his mask when he does schoolwork at home though. Mummy says Elmo only has to wear it when he goes out. Mummy says even Super Grover wears one because heroes wear masks to keep others safe. All of Elmo's friends will be wearing masks at school too. Elmo wears a mask just like this. He wants to be a hero too. What does your mask look like? It's time to leave and walk to the bus, but Elmo is getting nervous again. He knows just what to do. Elmo puts his hand on his belly, takes a slow, deep breath in through his nose, and lets it slowly out of his mouth. Now he's ready to go. Elmo asks Mummy where his friends are. Mummy says Elmo's friends will get to school differently. Some ride the bus, some walk, and some go in cars. Remember, you can give Mummy a hug and kiss, but you have to wave to your friends. Elmo practices his best wave for Mummy as he says goodbye. Bye, Mummy! Elmo is nervous about leaving home, but also excited to go to school. When the bus arrives at school, Elmo and his friends line up at a safe distance from each other. Elmo remembers what his mummy told him and gives his friends big waves. Elmo is excited to be with his friends, even if they have to sit far apart. School is going to be so much fun. Elmo has a very busy and very fun day at school. Elmo knows to wash Elmo's hands when he gets back inside. After school, Elmo meets Mummy at the bus stop. Let's go home and wash our hands and you can tell me everything. Elmo had so much fun at school today.